Welcome to IB2B Module 4, Topic 1, Collaborative Design and Moderation. Our aims are to cover collaborative design, moderation, analysis and use of data, and planning next steps. Since this is a long module with only one video, please feel free to take breaks as needed. This video summarizes how collaboration is crucial in designing and moderating IB assessments. We'll discuss how teachers can work together to create fair and accurate assessments, supported by the IB program standards and practices. You can also find a YouTube playlist and Google Notebook for additional resources. We will focus on one key aspect of an assessment-capable practitioner: collaborate to design and moderate assessment, analyze results, and plan next steps. This highlights the importance of teamwork in the entire assessment process. We now begin with collaborative design, which is essential for effective assessment practices in IB programs. Professional learning communities, or PLCs, are common structures for professional learning at schools. They help counter the isolation teachers often experience in assessment design. Without collaboration, assessments can be weak or ineffective. Time must be actively planned for these essential discussions. To combat isolation, school leaders can encourage teams to develop common assessments, criterion lists, and rubrics. They can also serve as, quote, critical friends to review each other's work and provide feedback. This collaboration is key to improving practice and student learning. The IB program standards and practices provide a framework for development, guiding authorization and evaluation. Schools undertake a self-study every 5 years to reflect on how well they meet these expectations, involving all members of the learning community. Standard teacher support requires schools to provide time and resources for effective teacher collaboration. This includes dedicated time for planning and reflection. While teachers often want reduced contact time, the school determines the scheduling of this planning time. The Designing a Coherent Curriculum standard emphasizes the need for collaborative planning time. This practice specifically involves incorporating IB philosophy, including assessment views. Planning time is crucial for developing and moderating assessments as part of the IB's philosophy. Coherent Curriculum 2 states that teachers collaborate to design, plan, and deliver the school's IB program. This includes planning and designing units that meet program requirements, with specific practices noted across PYP, MYP, and DP. Teachers should collaboratively plan and reflect to reinforce shared concepts and skills and use resources to aid their collaboration. They must also use this time to address the elements of an IB education. The Students as Lifelong Learners standard emphasizes the importance of effective relationships and collaboration skills for students. The school must demonstrate that collaboration and relationship building are explicitly featured within the curriculum. The Approaches to Teaching standard promotes effective relationships and purposeful collaboration. A key practice is that students collaborate with teachers and peers to plan, demonstrate, and assess their own learning. This connects to co-constructing success criteria. The Program Standards and Practices framework is comprehensive, placing learning at the heart of the IB World School community. It influences everything from philosophy integration to creating high-quality student learning experiences. Now we move on to the second aim of this module: moderation. Moderation, standardization, and cross-grading are terms frequently used. Moderating assessment ensures common understandings of expectations and practices among teachers. This is critical in MYP, DP, and CP, where elements are externally moderated or assessed, impacting predicted grades. PYP moderation is an internal process, requiring common understandings of student achievement and assessment practices, but no common assessment tasks or external moderation of student work. Standardization is good practice to ensure consistency and maintain the school's reputation. In the MYP, internal assessment is done by teachers who must standardize criteria use. Work sent for official grades is internally graded and externally moderated. External assessment includes IB-designed assessments graded by IB examiners. Discrepancies in moderation can lead to grade changes for the entire cohort. The MYP certificate pathway changed after 2016 revisions. The e-assessments are externally graded, and e-portfolios serve as external moderation. Furthermore, moderation of the personal project became mandatory for all 5-year programs. In the DP, examinations are externally graded by examiners who undergo detailed moderation training. Their grading is also moderated to ensure alignment with global standards, and adjustments are made if discrepancies occur. Internal standardization of grading is crucial across PYP, MYP, and DP for fairness, comparability, and reliability. It also ensures validity, supports professional judgment, aids continuous improvement, maintains international recognition, and promotes transparency and inclusivity. Our next aim is the analysis and use of data. Before designing an assessment, consider the data you want to collect, the purpose, and who will receive the information. Using tables, like the one from McTeague and Ferrara, can help make sound decisions about assessment design. Finally, we will discuss planning next steps. The formative assessment learning cycle, as described by McTeague and Ferrara, helps students use data for improvement. Key elements include understanding goals and success criteria, receiving timely feedback, deciding on next steps, and implementing feedback to improve performance. Collaboration involves people working towards a shared outcome with shared ownership. Cooperation means working together, but not necessarily towards a shared goal or ownership. Collaboration often sparks creativity and innovation, while cooperation focuses on separate tasks for a common benefit.